I think the more honest and the more vulnerable you are, especially with people that are close to your friends, family, that creates connection in itself.
I think often it's more difficult to ask ourselves those sort of inner questions of is this something that I'm doing? I think there's a lot of isolation, loneliness, or when men feel sad or lonely or angry, those feelings almost aren't socially acceptable, so they get shunned, and then people feel embarrassed about that, and then that's start of a pretty downward cycle.
Sanctus is for everyone. We're trying to rebrand mental health and make it accessible, relatable, aspirational in a way. Our big vision is to have a Sanctus Gym on the high street where anybody can walk in off the high street and work on their mental health, and that's what we're working towards.